Thanks for coming to check out another wig review. So today's wig review is brought to you by Sam's Beauty. So thank you so much, Sam's, for sending over this new wig. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, you guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. And yeah, let's go ahead and show this wig. So today's wig is from the Sensational Cloud 9 Swiss Lace Wig Collection. It is from the What Lace Collection, which is the Hairline Illusion Lace Wig. It's 100% premium fibers, and this one is called Janelle, and I do have her in the Flamboyage Chocolate. And this wig's claim to fame is that it has a undetectable What Lace hairline, and you can see the difference from the normal hairline to the What Lace. So I have reviewed a couple of these wigs on my channel, and I definitely do see the difference in the lace and the cap construction. I will say that each What Lace wig does have its own unique cap construction. Some of them are the same, but with each style I have noticed slightly different cap constructions. So before you grab your wig, I would definitely suggest checking out a couple wig reviews just to see if the cap construction is going to work for you, or just to get an idea of what it looks like. So this is what the stock card looks like. It's just a really pretty straight unit. Looks really, really nice on the model. I love this chocolate shade. This to me looks like a color number, I would say like 4, and then at the bottom it has a lot of like orangey, burnt orangey type of shades, which is really, really pretty. I love wigs in this shade of brown. It is one of my favorite shades. I do like how this one has some different highlights and lowlights in different shades of like burnt orange. I think that's really, really pretty. So I already know I'm going to definitely enjoy this wig. I will say the cap is a little bit light for me, so I'm definitely going to be using some Wig Extensions Lace Tint Spray. I use the shade Golden. I'm almost out of Golden, so I may have to start switching to Mocha. Let's look at the cap construction. There are 2 combs on the side. We do have 1 comb in the back, 2 adjustable straps, and yeah, it looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace and give this one a try. Let's see how the parting space is looking. So the parting space is definitely looking really nice, and this one does come with baby hairs. Wow. Straight off the bat, this wig looks really good. Really, really nice. I can definitely say the cap is fitting me pretty much perfectly. Well, it's a little bit of overlap here. So this side is pretty much perfect, and then this side has a little bit of overlap. So I'm gonna have to trim this side. Let me pull this back so you can see what I'm doing. So now that's pretty much perfect. And now I can go ahead and lay this wig down. I am going to do this one glueless. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and use a little bit of edge control. And that's pretty much all I'm going to use to secure this wig down. So right now I'm kind of just pulling out the areas that I want so that I have a clear idea of what I'm gonna do with this hairline. Just go ahead and pull out the hairs that I want, and the hairs that I don't want, I'm going to push to the back. All right, you guys, so this is my Ankara baby hair scarf. If you would like to get one, I do sell these on my website, justthedragoness.com. I also have my little hats in the background there, so if you are an influencer and you want to grab yourself an influencer cap, I do have these in multiple different colors, and yeah, you can check these out. Also, if you like my jewelry, I do have these on my website as well. So there's a bunch of goodies on my website. Just head over to justthedragoness.com and check out everything that I have for you guys. Okay, so that's pretty much the hairline done. I'm gonna go ahead and make a part. I definitely like it with the part. Let me stop combing this with this little comb. Let me get a brush. Like, wow. Combing this with this little rat tail comb. Tripping, y'all. Tripping. I love this color. It is so pretty. And I feel like this eyeshadow with this orange is really making it pop. I've never tried this flamboyage chocolate before, but it's dope. So this looks good to me. I really like it in the middle part. It's really pretty. I'm gonna define the part a little bit. My powder is almost gone. If y'all could see how I'm hitting pan in this powder, like, this powder is done, and it's my favorite one. I could barely get anything out of it. This palette has been through it. This palette has been through a lot. Look at this palette, you guys. This palette is like over it. I've lost like 2-3 pans of shadow from that palette. So I'm gonna mousse it down a little bit. Oh, before I do, let me show you guys all the different ways you could part it. Oh. That's pretty. So you can't go too deep with the part on this one, you guys, because you will start hitting tracks. But that's cute. So you can't go too deep with the parts. You know, you don't want to go too far to the side because then you start hitting tracks. So just bear that in mind. But in the meantime, I'm gonna just mousse it down, because I'm gonna just wear this in the middle part. I really love how this is looking. Really pretty. She's giving me like real hair type of vibes. Real hair type of vibes, okay? Yes, come on, Janelle. I should love this wig. It's my sister's name, Janelle. In DC, they don't say Janelle. They say Janelle. That's some DC stuff right there. Janelle. So cute, you guys. Love her. Love this wig. So pretty. And you don't have to wear her behind the hairline. I mean, behind the ear. You can wear her in front of the ear. Love it. The color, everything, beautiful. So is this unit Dragoness approved? Absolutely Dragoness approved. Head on over to samsbeauty.com to check her out. Oh, let me turn around so you can see her from all sides. So cute. Length is really nice too. And the thickness is not too thick, which is nice. It's not like crazy thick where you feel like it's just a lot. It has a very virgin hair-esque type of lace front wig type of vibe to it. And I like the layers. Very subtle. This wig is very subtle but very, very beautiful. The more you look at it, the more you play with it. Like, I could see doing a lot with this wig. So I would definitely suggest her. So check her out on samsbeauty.com. Make sure you check me out on my website, www.justthedragoness.com, for all your hair accessories and actual accessories now. Ew. Girl is moving up in the world, okay? All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.